Hello everyone, welcome to Study Time. In this video, we are going to see Class 4 English, Chapter 3, Noses. In this video, we are going to revise the chapter and we'll be discussing the worksheet. First, we'll be seeing the overview of the poem and we'll be discussing the textbook solution, which will be easier for you to solve worksheet. And we'll be discussing the worksheet with explanation. So it will be easier when you revise a chapter so that you can solve one worksheet and it will be like revising this chapter. So please do comment whether you like this video or this way of teaching. Noses. This is a small poem about a girl who looks herself in the mirror. She looks at her nose, chin, hair. She thinks that her nose is funny. This poem was written by Alien Fisher. New words from this lesson. Mirror. A surface of glass which reflects an image. I'm going to discuss you all an example sentence for each new words. I always look at myself in the mirror before going to school. Funniest or funny. Strange, difficult to explain or understand that makes you laugh. My friend told me a funniest story. Breathing. The process of taking in air to the lungs and giving out. We cannot live without breathing. Sticking. To go past the surface or edge of something and be very easy to notice. The Raman is not sticking to his point. Giggle. To laugh loudly in a silly way. We all giggle at jokes. Next is question answers from this poem. Reading is fun. We'll see the question answers one by one. Why does the poet feel that the nose is a funny thing? The poet feels that the nose is a funny thing because it is stuck on the face like a handle and it has two little holes. Why is a nose important for you? Nose is important for us because it helps us in breathing. Does the child in the poem like her nose? Why do you think so? The child in the poem likes her nose. She takes it as a funny thing which sticks out on her face like a handle. Next. Describe a few funny things you have seen. Do they make you laugh? The funny things that I have seen are my pets fighting each other, discussion with innocent people, dressing of some people. You can write your own answer. Next, what does features mean? Look up the dictionary. What are the different kinds of features of people we come across in the world? Discuss. Features are typical qualities or important parts of something. The different kinds of features of people are people with long flat nose, people with rosy cheeks, people with curly silky hair. Sit in groups, look at your friend's face and describe what you see. Use words like long, round, oval, slanted, sharp, flat to help you. You can use other words also. My friend's face. My friend has a long nose. She has an oval face. She has a small eyes. You can write any other sentences which describes your friend's face. What is your favorite fruit? Describe it in 5 sentences. I have written my favorite fruit as mango. Each child can write their own favorite fruit and write about it in 5 sentences. How does it smell? So I have written it about mango. How does it smell? It smells good. How does it look? It is yellow, orange, raw mango in green in color. How does it feel? It is very soft to eat. When you bite it, what sound does it make? It does not make any sound when I bite as it is very soft. How does it taste? It tastes delicious. Do you know a fish breathes from its gills? Write 2 sentences about other animals which can breathe underwater. Frog can breathe in water through their skin. Water snails breathe in water using their gills. Punctuate the following passage. Here a passage is given. What is meant by punctuation? You have to write with each punctuation marks, and you have to start a sentence with a capital letter. You have to end the sentence with full stop. You have to, if it is a conversation, you have to make double quotes. These are the things I have made here. You have to write the first letter, mother, father, capital letter. Because it is a conversation, you have to make it in double quotes, comma, Neelam said. Then you have to keep a full stop. I have got a fire engine. I have got a fire engine. You have to make an exclamatory mark within the quotes. What's this? What's this? Called mother, somewhat confused by the noise. I have got a fire engine, mother. Come and see it. This is the punctuation for this passage. Using a red pencil, choose and circle the things whose smell you like. Now with a blue pencil, circle the things whose smell you do not like. Make 5 sentences like this. We'll see how you should write. See, whichever you like, you have to mark it in red color. Whichever you don't like, you have to mark it in blue color. Next, you have to write 5 sentences. So I have written 5 sentences. You can write your own sentences. I like the smell of petrol because it reminds me of agarbatti. I do not like the smell of rotten fruit as it reminds me of garbage. I like the smell of paint as it reminds me of my favorite scent. I like the smell of soap as it reminds me of scent. I like the smell of chocolate as it reminds me of coffee. Next, what is it? This is a simple poem. You have to read and answer this question. Tall ears, twinkly nose, tiny tail, and hop how goes. What is he? Can you guess? I feed him carrots and watercress. His ears are long, his tail is small, and he does not make any noise at all. Tall ears, twinkly nose, tiny tail, and hop he goes. So what is that? You would have guessed it is a rabbit. Write 3 pairs of words that rhyme with each other. Nose, goes, guess. Small, all, tail. So this is like a revision. So you would have learnt the overview of the lesson. We have discussed the textbook solutions. Now we'll discuss the worksheet with answers. See here, write few sentences on any part of your body. Example, ears, eyes, head, nose, and give it a suitable title. You can give the title as my body parts, and you can write 5 sentences like my nose is long, my eyes are sharp, So I am tall. So you can write any 5 sentences of your own. Next, Sunita wrote a letter to her uncle, but she wrote the address without punctuation marks. Help her by writing the address with punctuation marks. Already we saw what is punctuation. You have to write the first letter, capital letter, and house number 11. See, house number 41, you have to make a comma. Street number 6, you have to make a comma. M capital, K, J, A capital, H capital, then Vinay, Vihar, opposite to I dot abbreviation you should write in capital. Here K capital, K, G capital, comma, here also comma, here also comma, Delhi, comma, India, comma, you have to make a dot at the last. This is how you should fill the punctuation marks. Next, circle body parts hidden in the word search. You have to circle the body parts. Just pause the video and circle the parts. We'll see the answer in the next video. Hope you are solved. We'll see the answer now. Here mouth, forehead, thumb, cheek, leg, ear. I have marked. Still some more body parts are hidden. You can find. Next, encircle the correct spellings. Here few spellings are given. Just pause the video and write down in the notebook. We'll check in the next slide. I'll give 10 seconds time. Hope you guessed. We'll discuss now. Funniest is FUNNIEST is the funniest. Breathing is BREATHING is breathing. Twinkly is TWINKLY. Needles NEEDLES needles. Bright BRIGHT bright. Hope we covered all the topics which are useful for this chapter notes. Please do comment, like, share the video, like, also comment. Please do comment, because if you comment anything, I will be knowing what you like, so that I can improve myself in the next video. Thanks for watching.